Welcome back, guys. What's going on? Well, I'm gonna open the transport today, and it's a premium, which I have for a little while. But before we do that, man, hit that like and subscribe, guys. I really do appreciate it. Now, this transporter, I paid 10 bucks for it. I had it on clearance. I picked it up, and like I said, I don't open premiums, but in this case, I'm going to because I had a couple other ones, and I figured, why not? It's gonna go nice with my collection here, especially the Target exclusive. So we're gonna do that right now. I got my utility knife. I'm gonna open the best I can. If you wanna fast forward, feel free, but let's get right to it. Let me know, am I making a mistake here opening this? Should I left it sealed? I would love to hear from you guys. All right, so there we go. Let's take a closer look. It's got a nice weight to it, I can tell you right now. Oh yeah. Nice. Right. Take a look inside. I love how this opens. The Target one, I don't believe it opens. Let me try. Maybe. It does. I did not know that. So that opens. That's pretty neat. Just found that out today. But here's the transport. What do you guys think? Look at the nice details on it, right? Let's see if anything else opens. Take a closer look. It doesn't look like it. Let's double check it. Let's crack it open one more time. Nice. Nice details. Nice. Let's take a look at what we have here. The Lykan transporter, a Camino de Transport Euro hauler. It looks like a Zamac, a little bit, in my opinion. Nice car. There it is, man. Let me know. Do you have this one? If you do you have yours sealed open? All right, so there you have it, guys. Thanks for stopping by for this premium special in Hypersport.